One of the first things you'll notice about this home is the thoughtful layering of light sources in the living space. Instead of relying on a single harsh light, we incorporated a variety of lighting solutions to create a warm, inviting, and relaxed ambiance. We used a mix of downlights, spotlights, cove lighting, and subtle lights from the carpentry. These layers of light not only highlights different textures and elements, but also adds depth and sophistication to the overall design.
Curves play a subtle yet impactful role, evident in the various spaces throughout this home. From the gentle curves of the walls and ceiling to the subtle rounded edges of the carpentry, these details soften the edges of the space, enhancing the home's elegance.
Hi everyone, I'm Nadine.
And I'm Huiting.
And welcome back to another episode of CYID's
Spouse the House. Today we're back in Tampines and we'll be exploring a beautifully designed 5-bedroom condo featuring a Scandinavian and Wabi Sabi style.
This unit is located at Treasure at Tampines, one of Singapore's largest residential developments. So, let's take a quick overview of this home.
This 5-bedroom unit features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The renovation took about 2.5 months.
So coming in, the front door opens up to this beautifully crafted foyer, which is one of my favorite things about this home. So if you look up, you'll actually notice the fluted panels that run across the ceiling, making the space feel a little bit more intimate. And what makes it even more interesting is actually this curved frame that visually separates the foyer from the living room. It gives the perfect balance of being visually striking, yet soft and rounded for a modern, refined touch. On one side, we've added floor-to-ceiling shoe cabinets, providing plenty of storage for the homeowners. There's also a small niche here to keep keys or personal items, making it easy for them to grab essentials on their way out. We kept the edges of the cabinetry rounded to soften the overall look and make the space feel more approachable. We also created a bench here, with of course more storage underneath, perfect for the family to put on their shoes along with a full-length mirror so they can check themselves before heading out.
From the foyer, it opens seamlessly into the living room. We use a light cream lime wash throughout the home, which not only makes the space feel larger, but also adds to a soft, organic, Wabi Sabi aesthetic. The entire home adopts a neutral and earthy palette, with creams and warm woods creating a cozy lounging area perfect for the family to relax in after a long day. For the living area, we decided to line this space with a full-height TV feature wall, with the top half finished in a medium oak laminate and the bottom half in a travertine black shirt laminate. The homeowners also decided to furnish the areas with these large and plush sofas, which further adds to the coziness of the home. We created a 45-degree chamfered edge to give the console a very sleek look. And of course, this console contains plenty of storage and keeps all the wires and unsightly items hidden. We also added LED lighting to the feature wall to create that cozy space to rest in after a long day.
So right behind the living area, we have the dining area, which naturally is the focal point of this home. So we actually hacked one of the bedrooms to create this larger dining space, and to keep a separation between the two spaces, we decided to elevate the dining platform as well as add these wooden dividers, which not only lets light through, but also keeps a sense of connectivity between the two spaces. And for the platform, we made it rounded and installed warm LED lights underneath to elevate the space and create a cozy ambiance. The round dining table adds a nice softness to the room, paired with these unique pendant lights that give the area some character. Since the family loves to host, this open concept dining and living works perfectly for their lifestyle. It's spacious yet intimate, and it's the perfect spot for gathering.
When designing the home, it was important for us to understand our homeowners' needs and preferences. A specific request was to incorporate a space for their wine chiller and accessories. So we decided to custom build this sleek and simple wine cabinet in beige color with a pull-out tray for preparation.
So before we enter the private spaces, you'll notice this beautiful concealed door with the same fluted panel detailing as the foyer ceiling. So we decided to add this door for a more cohesive look and also to minimize noise coming from the living area. The corridor leading to the bedrooms is lined with soft lighting, keeping it cozy and dimly lit at the bottom for the kids to see at night.
Now let's take a look at the master bedroom. So the homeowners actually wanted a walk-in wardrobe with as much storage as possible. To do so, they opted for a queen-size bed to accommodate for this L-shaped wardrobe here. We've also incorporated this rock panel above the headboard to create an earthy feel that aligns with the Wabi Sabi aesthetic. We use cove lighting at both the top and bottom to highlight the rock panels, making it a distinct feature of the space. This room is the perfect space to unwind in.
Let's step into the master bathroom. So we kept the space clean and airy by using large format cream tiles on the walls and decided to custom build this inclined his and hers basin for a luxurious and grand feel. The sink itself is made of a travertine sintered stone, which adds a nice texture while blending seamlessly with the rest of the bathroom for a clean, cohesive look. In the shower, we added a recessed area with 2 shelves, offering plenty of space for all their shower essentials. So that brings us to the end of our home tour. We hope you've enjoyed touring it as much as we did.
If you'd like to find out more about the home, be sure to check out our Instagram page. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, comment and subscribe.
Remember to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming home tours. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.